This vibrant tomato cucumber salad paired with a refreshing lemon vinaigrette is flavorful and absolutely delicious. Welcome to Gakii's kitchen. Let's dive right in. Dice half of a red onion into cubes. The thinner, the better. Add them to a salad bowl. Next, dice half of a medium-sized cucumber into small cubes. You can peel it or leave the skin on. Add the crisp cucumber to the bowl. Thinly slice the juicy baby tomatoes into quarters. You can use any kind of tomatoes that you have. Add them to the bowl. Grab some fresh mint, separate the leaves from the stems, and finely chop the leaves. The mint will add a subtle sweetness and a cool sensation to the salad. Add the mint to the salad bowl. To make the lemon dressing, squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Add that to a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin macadamia oil or any oil of your choice. Season with salt and any pepper you like. Mix until it emulsifies. That looks perfect. Add the dressing to the salad and give that a good mix. The freshness of the tomatoes, crunch of the cucumber, and the zesty dressing is absolute perfection. Try it and subscribe for more recipes. Until next time, bye!